up, let me be your motivation to stay and give it tonight. And baby, turn around, let me give you it.
Hi guys, what up? What up? It's Patty for CongoleseSisters. I just finished filming this look for you guys. I hope you will enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe before watching the video. And I'll see you on the other side. Hey, what up guys? So I'm starting with the eyes. I'm taking the shade called Daddy from the James Charles Time Morphe collab. And I'm applying that in the first inner part of my eyes, if I can say, as you see me applying now. The second shade that I'm taking is Cola from, again, the James Charles Time Morphe palette, and I'm blending, I'm applying that right beside the green color, blending it a little bit with the green. Today I'm doing like a kind of different look. If you didn't realize, I've never done something like that before. I saw this look on Instagram and it really was an inspiration for me. So I was like, why not recreate it? Because, you know, I've never done something like that. The third shade that I'm taking, again from the James Charles palette, is Escape. And basically this color, I'm putting it in my outer crease, I don't know, outer crease, yeah. And I'm blending that in with the blue shade. I know right now it looks kind of harsh and everything, but I'm really doing my best to blend everything. So all throughout the video you'll see me really like applying, blending, because, you know, like this look has to be perfect, you know, and a lot of blending needs to be done on this kind of look. So yeah, you'll see me reapplying a lot of the shade and reblending everything to the best of my capability. So now I'm taking the Zulu palette and I'm taking firstly this orange shade, which is and I'm applying that like in the inner of my eyes, the same way that I started with the other one basically. And this shade is called Canary, and yeah, I'm applying that where you see me applying it now. The second shade that I'm applying, again from the Zulu palette from Juvia, is called it's called Tangerine Orange, and I'm applying that in the same place that I applied the blue shade, and I'm blending that in with the yellow. So for the outer color, I went back to my James Charles palette and I took the shade Rusted, and I'm applying that everywhere that I'm applying my my purple eyeshadow. non-sponsored ad. My mom just made this. I don't know what it is. Pistache. I don't know if we say that like that in English. So it's a non-paid ad. And if you want to purchase it, just DM me at Patty Mwamba on Instagram. So for the under eyes of my eyes, I use the exact same shade that I use on top. I just switch the eyes. So for the eye that you're seeing me applying right now, I use the shade that I put on my left eye, and I use that on the bottom on my under eye. And for the next eye, I'm gonna use the shade that I use basically for my right eye. So it's a kind of different concept. Like, I really like that concept, and I think I will do more looks like that because I really felt the vibe. I really love the vibe. I applied some eyeliner off camera, and it's basically an eyeliner from like a drugstore that I bought. It's like $3. I took this shade from the Jackie Aina times Anastasia Beverly Hills collab palette, and the shade will be listed down below. I can't remember it right now, but I think that it's Beige, if I'm not mistaken. And I also did my face off camera. I basically use the same products that I normally use. Yeah, right now I'm applying my Fenty Beauty bronzer in the shade Coco Naughty, and I'm blending my face basically. Like you see me now, blend. And yeah, my eyeliner is from NICKAK, if I didn't mention it. It's like this drugstore eyeliner that costs $3, and it's really bomb. So I'm gonna take that, you know. For my highlighter, I used the Reezy Primes Anastasia Beverly Hills, which I applied everywhere, basically everywhere that I normally highlight. Yeah, sis, highlight your line. Highlight, yeah. So for my lashes, I applied them off camera, and it's basically the Kiki lashes from Kiki Luxury's lashes. On my lips now, I'm applying this Steph B Beauty liner. It's this brown liner. I think it's the shade 5 if I'm not mistaken, but look in the description box and the shade will be there written exactly. And I took this NYX lingerie liquid lipstick. It's like a liquid lipstick that somebody, like one of my friends, gave me. I don't even know if I know the shade. Is that it? Wait. I think I'm actually... Yeah, so the shade will be listed down below. Thank you so much, guys, for watching the video. So I'm back, and it's the finished look. So how did you find it, guys? I hope you liked the video. I really enjoy doing something different for you guys. Now that I'm looking at it in my viewfinder. So if you think I'm looking down, well, if you're watching this video, you're seeing me watching down, and that is because I have the thingy. I don't know what you call that, but I see myself when I look down. Okay, so I'm just looking at myself, And I actually like this look, guys. Like, this is a vibe. I think I'm gonna start doing that every day now and just like going out with like 2 different eyes. Like, that is so lit. I love it. So tell me how you enjoyed the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We really appreciate it. We love it so much. All the love and support, the support that we get never goes unnoticed. It would be really nice if you could like, share, and comment this video. We would really appreciate it. And thank you. I'm so tired. May God bless you. May you have a blessed day, night, and evening. So bye, guys.
What a Merry Christmas would be. Me get again just start for a Christmas tree. A New Year's Eve when them a count down, me a count pound. At the brown, but those between a town of my sound.